26. Ayan, 27 April 2025. Sunday, birthday na Kuya Gabi. Ito si Sunday ngayon, birthday na Kuya Gabi. Ito sa nanonood ng YouTube, ito sa Putin Hills. TFPL Gumball 6 Sports, Sports to celebrate victory in Kursk. Mr. Zelensky in the Vatican, Kursk returns to Russia. Russia brings about the Ukraine protest has gained full control of mass forces. Russian case Castle has a good field, calling on the Nazi admission. All personnel, all military units that took part in the defeated neo-Nazi. The Kursk region, bumalik na sa Russia. And the enormous losses suffered by the enemy, including among Western models of equipment. Ukraine.
Штурмовые подразделения спецназ, безусловно, отразятся на всей линии боевого соприкосновения. Полный разгром противника в Курске приграничья создает условия для дальнейших успешных действий наших войск и на других важнейших участках фронта, приближаясь к неонацистского режима.
Moscow, base by Moscow. Start confirming control are in Ukraine. Ngayon ay April 27, 2025, Sunday. Birthday na Kuya Gabi nga, 42nd year birthday na Kuya Gabi. Ngayon na lang masipag na siya kasi bless you Lord, protect you, be safe. Let me shake a healthy and helping Lord, find your Lord, for now and let them have mercy. And Lord, take your mercy Lord, and Lord, take your met on the silence of Pope Francis and the vacation April 26. Francois, veteran, nag-meeting pa sa Vatican, yung dalawa. Si Trump sa si Zelensky. The White House said, the two will meet again after Pope's funeral. Very close to the deal.